Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Passion on Paper. In one of my previous videos I depicted two techniques of acrylic pouring using these basic acrylic paints. For today we'll be doing two more techniques of acrylic pouring, but we'll use these fluid acrylic kits recently launched by Camlin. Company has actually launched 3 shades, but today I have only 2, which are Monochrome Shades and the Sunset Shades. This kit actually includes canvas board of size 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, 4 fluid acrylic bottles or 25 ml each assorted shades, and an apron. You will also need a pair of gloves and some plastic or paper cups. I won't be using aprons for now, but if you're doing this with kids, make sure to use them. So wear your gloves and let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with the Sunset Shades. But first of all, make sure to cover your workspace with a newspaper or any other plastic sheet. The quality of the canvas is actually really good. The technique we'll be using here is called Puddle pour. So yes, take out your paints and let's begin. All you have to do is drop the paint and form number of puddles with different colors as per your choice. And yes, I know this looks so satisfying, so I promise I'll try to speak as less as possible. Now just tilt the canvas in different directions to get a seamless blend effect. Form more puddles and repeat the process in case some white spaces are left. So there you go. Now just keep this aside for at least 24 hours. I'll suggest you to keep this on a plastic cup so that it does not stick on the base. Now moving on to the second one, that is the Monochrome Shades. The technique we'll be using here is that of flip cup. For this, pour the paints in the cup, forming different layers. And now, as the name suggests, flip your cup over the canvas and wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you want, you can combine this with the puddle pour technique also. Now just remove the plastic cup to see the effect. Okay, so I expected this to flow a little, but never mind, we'll tilt the canvas. Let the excess color drip for a clean layer on the canvas. Honestly, the nibs of these paint bottles make them easy to use. However, I really expected the paints to be a little more flowy, but never mind, these look beautiful. This one is definitely my favorite. I'm so in love with this. These actually dried up pretty quickly in less than 24 hours, which is actually really great. Unlike the ones I did in my previous video, these are not at all sticky. And there you have it, a beautiful abstract painting ready in no time. Do let me know which one of these is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share and comment down below.